Breaking news today.
Valtteri Bottas will not be driving a Mercedes. He'll be driving an Alfa Romeo next season.
Go, ladies and gentlemen, 13,159 days since we last came to Zandvoort. The Dutch Grand Prix is back. It is a sea of colour. It is a wonderful atmosphere to start this race. The home crowd have got their man on pole. It's lights out and away we go. Pretty even start from the front too. Verstappen does move over. Sainz comes under a bit of pressure as well from his teammates.
So this is for the raceway, so you're defending.
But he's not going to hold him up any longer, because with DRS, there he goes. And you can hear the roar from the Dutch Lions in the grandstands.
I need that extra point, guys.
Copy. Valtteri, it's James. Please abort the fastest lap attempt before the end of the lap.
More breaking news. That George Russell will be his replacement, will partner Lewis Hamilton.
We're not going for fastest. Why not?
Right, so he's gone purple. Fastest first sector, fastest middle sector for Valtteri Bottas as he crosses the line.
Just playing around. I know.
Bottas wins out in qualifying.
And that's pole position, sir.
Oh yes! Bottas wins and takes a penalty into the Grand Prix.
I don't know. It's unfortunate.
I hate to be second. I'm not just a number two.